guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at a very special unboxing. This here is a $10,000 Ironman suit by BuyFullBodyArmor.com. Now, if you're not familiar with the company, it is a company that creates the most realistic looking cosplay costumes known to man, in which this here is the Mark 46 fully loaded, including upgraded sounds, voice changer, moving parts, lights, sounds, you name it, is everything built into this particular kit. Now, this took over 3 months to make, and it's designed to go ahead and fit me perfectly, meaning they took exact measurements of my hands, my waist, my shoulders, just so they can go ahead and create something that's very unique for me. Now, in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, taking a closer look at it, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the box that they sent. Now, it came in 2 boxes. Obviously, since we have the upgraded version, it comes with the stand and then, of course, our armor. Now, the first box we'll look at is the armor box itself. So the armor box essentially has all our pieces, including the helmet, the body frame, and stuff of that nature. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and remove this. This is so exciting. Alright, so I already see kind of a few things going on in here. So this here is our voice changer. So this is pretty cool. This allows us to go ahead and make us sound more like Tony Stark or like a robot with the Iron Man suit. And this will just be a plug and play feature. Wow! This is legit! Look at this material, guys. See this shine on this? Oh my god. I mean, like, you get closer, you can see the nice metallic finish. I mean, this almost looks like a car panel. I mean, you could tell that they did a professional job. I mean, down to the details. You have the light on the bottom here. So you can see that right there. So you got yourself a reactor right there. And then you even have this foam here. So when you step on something, you're not scratching. It gives you grip. That's pretty cool. Look at that. All right, so we have ourselves a universal charger. Whoa. Oh my god, it feels like feels real. Like, I don't even know how to explain how real this feels, guys. I mean, you can even see down to the details. Look at this. That is insane. I love it. This is crazy. You can see, like, this is actually a lot of work what they did. And it's all flexible. It kind of moves about, which is really cool. We have our spandex, or our one-piece suit. So we have to wear this when we do wear the suit, mainly because if you're wearing regular clothes, it's kind of thick. And then this one might cause a little bit more tightness feeling, as it is a fitted suit. So this is definitely very important. So we have ourselves some pieces of foam. So this here will kind of help mounting on the stand. So that's kind of nice that they included that in case if you feel like it's a little loose in certain areas as well. Now let's go ahead and move on. We have some shoe pads. These are kind of nice, so you can go ahead and give yourself more arch support in your shoes. We have our power cord. This will go ahead and power on the suit without actually having using batteries, which we need 14 batteries for this particular model. So this here's our arc reactor. So this is actually an extra one I believe that they gave me. They made a KhanFlicks version, which we'll be seeing in just a little bit, but you can actually see the details on this too. That looks pretty cool. Look at that. And then there's the back panel. So you plug it into the battery or through the AC adapter right here. A lot of cables, spare LEDs. So that's kind of nice that they included that. So we'll keep that to the side. So a repair kit. So you can technically go ahead and repair it. You have your remote as well. So you can go ahead and control the suit. It comes with screwdriver, nuts and bolts, and everything that you need to go ahead and control it, even like gold screws as well. So that's actually kind of nice that they included this. Holy moly, that's a big leg. What? That is so awesome. And then inside here we have the arm, I believe. That's so crazy. It's actually really cool quality. Look at this. I'm like in awe right now. I mean, it's just the arm, right? What's here? Oh, we have our hands, so we can take out our hands next. Whoa. That's so cool. Take out the other hand. Wow, look at this. All right, ready for the torso? I think we are. It's got my KhanFlicks logo. Wow. I love it. So it's time to unbox the last piece of the puzzle, and that is our helmet. Wow, look at this. Oh, that is eye candy. Man, they did a phenomenal job. Just off the back, I have to admit, everything on it is exactly the way I imagined. I think the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and build the stand and cue up that montage and see what this thing looks built together. So our stand is finally done, and it was actually a lot of work in terms of going ahead and kind of putting it together, but it does come with a nice video to go ahead and follow through on it, and I thought it was actually not that complicated. So the next thing to do now is load up our Ironman suit and see how this thing looks on a stand. Alright, our Ironman suit is finally on our stand, and this thing is absolutely breathtaking. I mean, the amount of details on this particular suit is mind-blowing. I mean, it is a work of art, and you can wear it, and it's a great showpiece. I don't know what else to say besides let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it's all about. So obviously you do get the stand, and it comes with a power cord. I did hook up some lighting just to kind of give it a little bit of cool effect. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on really quick. So watch this. There we go. Cool. And now we're gonna go ahead and turn on our Ironman suit. This is the boot up process. So everything starts humming, the motors kind of start working, the lights are on. You can see the arc reactor with the KhanFlicks logo. That is really cool. The eyes are glowing, and yeah, I mean, we're ready to try it out. So it comes with this nifty looking remote with 1 through 6, and each number correlates to an action. So for instance, if I just start off with number 6, this will go ahead and activate our system. Now watch this mini arc reactors throughout the body. They all begin to illuminate. Now they all don't turn on at once, they kind of spread. So it has this almost like natural ability, which actually gives it a very realistic look. And literally everything is on. That is really cool. To give you an idea how it looks in the dark, watch this. That is awesome. Now moving on, if you hit number 1, the helmet will go ahead and open up, just like that. And inside here you'll see a blue LED both on the top and on the bottom. This will go ahead and create that hood kind of feel when you're actually wearing it, almost like a blue luminous glow. If you hit 1 again, it'll close. And you'll see the lights kind of flicker as it's showcasing that it's reprogramming or turning back on. So number 2 will actually go ahead and deploy the wing flaps on the rear, kind of showcasing the ability to go ahead and for flight. So if I hit 2, the sequence of it kind of showcases it, and you'll even hear a sound of the jets kind of turning on, giving it a nice realistic feel. And then just keeps winding up. It's still going. And now it's stopped. And if you hit 2 again, it'll go ahead and close. Now number 3 activates the shoulder missiles, which is on both sides there, which you just hit this and you'll see the flaps opening up. Now it's a 2-step process. You'll see kind of lift up first and then it'll go ahead and spread. And you'll see the servos kind of functioning at that momentum. Now you do see the LEDs on the top here as well, so these will actually illuminate red to blue and it kind of showcase when they're fired. And then you go ahead and close it off just the same way. Now number 4 activates the missile on the right arm here, as well as a laser. So you hit this, again, in sequence, which is actually pretty cool. And you actually see the missile here kind of poking out on the side. So they actually did a great job in terms of the detail, even showing the missile too, which is kind of cool. And you can close it off just like that. And number 5 is the other arm. Same thing with the missile. And you'll even see the laser pointer, which is right over here. So yeah. So that's actually kind of cool when you wear it. And then number 6, as we already mentioned, we'll go ahead and deactivate the system. Now, when you're wearing the suit, it's a little bit different. So you can actually go ahead and control it via the remote, or you can control it by using your hands. So you use the index finger by touching your other index finger, it'll go ahead and activate it. So each finger indicates a specific number. Now you also can go ahead and shoot from your hand by simply doing this gesture right here. So you can go ahead and blast just like that too. So overall, the details on it are really cool. I mean, even you got the red halo coming out through the sides here. So you have this layer upon layers. And if you peek on the inside, you can see everything kind of working together in harmony. Now, other than that, the quality of it is really sturdy. There's a lot of flexibility. I mean, even like certain parts like this, although it looks like it's metal, it's made out of rubber. So it does give you that good amount of flex. Now, everything on this particular suit is designed to fit the user itself. So when they created it, they went based off of my measurements. So this suit is literally my body. So it's actually kind of cool on how they did that. So if you're a plus person or a really small person, they'll create a suit that's specifically for you. Now, we also haven't seen that on the bottom here, you do have lights. So the cool thing about these shoes is that when you do step, it'll actually make the sounds of the actual Ironman suit as you're walking. And then in addition to that, in the shoulder strap over here, there's actually a port to go ahead and hook up a voice changer. So you can actually hear your voice almost like an Ironman or robotic voice, showcasing that you're inside the suit. So that is really cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. I think the next thing we're gonna do now is try it on and see exactly how it works. To put this thing on, and the results are actually pretty cool. I mean, you have to admit, this thing looks really sick, both even on the stand and physically wearing it. Now, surprisingly, it is quite comfortable. I can actually go ahead and put my hands up all the way. I have full control over my fingers, and then I can even do a kick. I can move around. I can even dance, which is actually pretty cool. So you can technically control Ironman by simply pressing the buttons on the arm, just like this. You can go ahead and shoot. And then you can go close it just like that too. And then you can go ahead and go through each particular one and use it just like that. So that's how you control it. So there's a 3-second delay between using it as well as seeing the actual results. Alright, well there you guys have it. This here is the Ironman by BuyFullBodyArmor.com. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.